Okay guys, welcome back, and today we'll be installing Kali Linux. In my previous video, what we did was we installed the virtual box itself, and then we put in a firewall to keep us safe within the box. And today we'll be doing Kali Linux. So you just go to your web browser, you put in, basically you go type in, and I'm already there, but you can just type in kalilinux.org.getkali, and it should bring you to this page right here. Okay, so you click virtual machines and it takes you down right here, and then based on the type of VM that you're using, mine's a 64-bit, so it depends on your system. So you want to click that and download it. So I already clicked it. It takes about, like, I don't know, 5 minutes. So to save time, I already went ahead and downloaded it. So once you click this, gotta pick VirtualBox because that's what we have. Once you click it and download it, you just go to where you downloaded the Kali Linux, and you right click, you right click, and you open with, and it should say VM VirtualBox Manager. So you click that and OK. So now it's gonna ask you if you want to import all this stuff over, from the machine. So you just click import, okay, and you agree, and that should start the process of bringing Kali, the virtual Kali Linux, into the VirtualBox. So this is going to take a time. I might have to cut the video to make it short too. Okay, so as you can see, it booted up. So what we need to do now is, it's just some basic stuff like we did before. We gotta connect the Kali Linux network to the firewall. So you right click, you click settings, you go to network, and you in a adapter 1, enable network adapter, and you attach it to the internal network right there. So remember that we created the internal network in the firewall up here, so this is what we are attaching it to. Okay, so now we just click and we let it run. So and there you go. And by default, the username is Kali, and the username by default is the user password by default is Kali 2. So that should take you in. One second, I think I typed it wrong. There. So yeah, so now you have your virtual machine set up, and it has, like, basically all the stuff you could use here, and the famous terminal right here where you can run all your commands. So yeah, that basically, and to check, let's see, it's taking some time to connect. So this should you should be able to access the internet through this virtual machine. So oh wait, I gotta turn it on. Yeah, 1 second. So it's powered off. That's why there's no connection. So if you turn it on, you gotta turn on your firewall because right now it Kali Linux is trying to go through the firewall to go to the internet, but the firewall isn't on, so it's basically running into a wall. Haha. Never mind. Anyways, we'll see. So you turn on the firewall and we should be able to connect now. So let's see. Come on, come on. Any day now. There you go. Okay, let's see if this connects up. If we connected it right using the adapters, we should have access right here. There you go. There you go. Now we could access the internet with our virtual machine. So let's try. YouTube. That is, why is it so slow? Oh, there you go. And there you go. So we have access. We have access. Mine's a little slow, but it shows we have access to the internet. So basically we hooked up the thing right. Okay. Yeah. So that's it. And you know, to close it, you could just hit like file close and power off the machine, and that basically is like turning off the machine. And you do the same thing here. So where did it go? Right there. And power off. There you go, guys. So that's how to install your Kali Linux on your virtual box. So yeah, see you guys later.